Good morning everyone. My name is Afreen. I am of CSIT A section. Today I am going to present my topic website designing using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and WordPress. Introduction to web development. Definition. Web development is the process of creating websites and web applications for the internet or an internet. It encompasses various aspects including web design, web content development, client side, server side, scripting, network security, configuration, e-commerce development. Importance of user experience. User-centric design focuses on needs and preferences of the user to enhance the engagement and satisfaction. First impression. A well-designed website can capture attention and encourage visitors to explore further. Navigation. Intuitive navigation is a crucial retaining the users and minimizing the bounce rate. Brief mention of technology used. HTML, the backbone of the web page, providing structure. CSS enhances the visual appearance of the layout. JavaScript adds the interactivity and dynamic content. WordPress, a popular content management system that simplifies website creation and management. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language, the standard markup language used to create web pages. Structure defines the structure of a web page using elements and tags. Structure of a web page. Document structure. An HTML document consists of nested elements that create the hierarchy. Example, open arrow HTML and a closed head, open a head and a closed body. Elements based building blocks that define different parts of web pages such as headings, paragraph, links and images. Key elements tags used to mark the beginning and the ending of the element. Example, h1 tag and h2 tag. Attributes provides additional information about the elements. href is equals to https://examples.com. It provides additional information about link. Common HTML elements are headings, paragraphs, links and images. HTML basic. Common HTML tags are basic structure. HTML, root element of the wraps the entire code. Head contains metadata, title, link, style sheet, scripts. Body maintains a content area where visible elements are placed. Headings h1 to h6. There are 6 types of heading, h1 to h6. Define headings are varying importance, with h1 beginning of the most important. Text elements. Paragraph defines a paragraph. Strong and EM indicates importance and empathizes respectively. Creating list and links. List. Ordered list OL for numbered items. Unordered list UL for bulletin items. List items LI defines individual items within the list. Links href equals to URL that creates a hyperlink to the other page of the external site. Example, href is equals to http://www.example.com visit example A. Image and multimedia integration. Image as source is equals to image.jpg, alt a description, embeds an image to a web page with alt text to accessibility. Multimedia, audio and video, embedded audio and the video file, allowing for rich content integration. What is CSS? Define CSS, cascading style sheets, a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of HTML document. Purpose separates content HTML for the design CSS, allowing great flexibility and control over a layout and aesthetics. Role of CSS in the website design. Style element controls color, font, spacing and position of HTML elements. Consistency enables consistent styling across multiple pages and links to the single CSS file. Responsive design allows the creation of design that adapts the different screen size and the device. CSS styling techniques: inline versus internal versus external CSS. Inline CSS is a style applied by directly HTML. H1 style is equals to color blue, best for quick change, not ideal for the large projects. Internal CSS defines within a style, tag and head section, useful for single page styles. External CSS stored the separate .css file linked with the link tag, ideal for maintaining the consistent and across the multiple pages. Box model components contains content, padding, border, margin. Content, the text or an image, padding, the space inside the border surrounded by padding, margin, space outside the border. Flexbox and a grid layout. Flexbox, one-dimensional layout aligning the item in the rows and the columns. Display.flex. Grid layout, two-dimensional layout, creating a complex design used for displayed grid. What is JavaScript? Definition of the role. JavaScript, a high-level dynamic programming language widely used for web development. Purpose, primarily used with add interactive enhances user experience and create dynamic content on web pages. Importance are for interactivity. Client-side scripting, JavaScript runs into the browser, enabling quick and responsive interactions without the need of server communication. Responsive elements allows the feature like formation validation, interactive maps, and real-time updates, enhancing the overall usability of a website. JavaScript basics. Document object model represents a web page structure allowing JavaScript to interact with the HTML elements. Accessing elements, JavaScript can relate and manipulate elements using various methods, enabling dynamic change to web pages, contents, and structure. Event handling, understanding events, action triggered by the user interaction, such as clickers on the key presses that invoke specific responses within the web page. Adding event listeners, JavaScript can listen these events and execute the designated functions that occur, enhancing interactivity. For example, interactive elements, forms, dynamic content, and animation. Forms in JavaScript validate user input, ensuring data integrity before submission. Dynamic content enables real-time updates to web page, allowing content to change without requiring a full reload. Animation enhances virtual appeal of creating effects that respond user actions, improving engagement. Introduction to WordPress. What is a WordPress? Content management by open source platform that allows user to create, manage, and publish website easily without extensive coding knowledge. Popularity powers of significant percentage of website on the internet due to flexibility, user-friendly interface, and extensive community support. Advantages of using WordPress are easy to use, customize, SEO friendly. Easy to use, intuitive dashboard interface simplifies process building and managing websites. Customization offers thousands of themes, plugins, enables user to customize appearance, functionality, and sites to their needs. SEO friendly, builds in the features, plugins, and helps optimize content in the search engines, improving visibility. Overview of theme. Plugins. Theme is pre-designed templates that control the look layout of a WordPress site. User can choose on free and premium options. Plugins, extensions that specify features or functionalities of WordPress sites, such as contact from SEO, tools, and social media integration. Designing WordPress. How to choose the theme. Selecting a theme, chooses the theme, aligns the theme and website purpose and audience content in fact, and layout, design elements, and customization. Responsive design ensures that the theme mobile friendly, provides a seamless experience across the various devices and screen size. Customizing theme using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Customizes the options. Most themes offer customization settings through the WordPress customizer, allowing the change color, fonts, layouts, and coding. Conclusion. The integration of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and WordPress creates a powerful that enables developers to craft visually appealing, highly functional, and user-friendly websites. HTML serves as the backbone, providing the essential structure for web content, while CSS enhances the aesthetic appeal of the styling. JavaScript adds an interactivity and dynamic features, significantly improving user engagement and the experience. WordPress, as the versatile content management system, simplifies the process of website development and management, making it accessible for both novice and experienced developers alike. By mastering these technologies, web designers can create customized solutions tailored by the unique needs of their businesses and individuals. The combination of these tools are not only the streamlines these design processes but also fosters creativity and innovation of a web development. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the skills acquired utilizing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, WordPress remains invaluable for anyone aspiring to succeed in the field of web design. Thank you.